Achieving Daily Mindfulness, a step-by-step guide. In our busy world, it's hard to find peaceful moments and clear thoughts, but doing simple mindfulness exercises every day can help us feel more calm and focused even when things are hectic. Let's look at some easy ways to do this. Step 1. Set your intention. Setting your intention is the first step towards achieving daily mindfulness. Each morning, take a moment to remind yourself why mindfulness matters to you. Whether it's reducing stress, being present for loved ones, or simply feeling more relaxed, clarifying your purpose sets the tone for the day ahead. By consciously aligning your actions with your intention, you pave the way for a more mindful and meaningful day. Step 2. Morning Ritual. Establishing. A morning ritual is key to achieving daily mindfulness. Begin your day with simple practices like deep breathing, gentle stretches, or by expressing gratitude. These rituals ground you in the present moment, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. By starting your day mindfully, you cultivate awareness and resilience, better equipping yourself to navigate life's challenges with clarity and composure. Step 3. Incorporate mindfulness breaks. Incorporating mindfulness breaks into your day is essential for achieving daily mindfulness. Take short breaks throughout your busy schedule to breathe deeply and reconnect with the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body and the environment around you. These brief moments of mindfulness help to reduce stress, increase focus, and promote a sense of calm amidst the chaos of daily life, fostering overall well-being and mental clarity. Step 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance daily mindfulness. Instead of rushing through meals, take time to savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of the food. Notice how your body responds to hunger and fullness cues. By eating with awareness, you not only enjoy your meals more, but also cultivate a deeper connection to your body and nourish your well-being. Step 5. Bring awareness to routine activities. Incorporating mindfulness into routine activities is a gateway to daily mindfulness. Whether it's washing dishes, walking, or even brushing your teeth, bring your full attention to the task at hand. Notice the sensations, sounds, and movements involved. By infusing everyday actions with mindfulness, you anchor yourself in the present moment, fostering a sense of calm and clarity in your daily life. Concentrating on these moments can transform difficult tasks into opportunities for peace and reflection. Step 6. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a cornerstone of daily mindfulness. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for, big or small. Whether it's the warmth of the sun or the kindness of a friend, acknowledging these blessings cultivates a positive mindset and deepens your connection to the present moment. By adopting gratitude, you invite joy and abundance into your life, fostering a sense of peace and contentment that resonates throughout your day. Step 7. Bedtime Reflection. Bedtime reflection is a powerful practice for achieving daily mindfulness. Before sleep, take a few moments to review your day without judgment. Acknowledge both successes and challenges with kindness. Release any lingering tension or worries through deep breathing. This gentle reflection promotes inner peace and closure, allowing you to drift into restful sleep with a clear mind and open heart. By embracing this nightly ritual, you cultivate a deeper sense of presence and well-being in your daily life. Step 8. Consistency and patience. Consistency and patience are essential for achieving daily mindfulness. Like any other skill, mindfulness requires practice and dedication. Commit to incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, even on busy days. Be patient with yourself as you navigate the ups and downs of the practice. Over time, you'll notice subtle shifts in your awareness and presence. Embrace each moment with openness and curiosity, knowing that every step on this journey brings you closer to a more mindful and fulfilling life. Conclusion: by prioritizing mindfulness in your daily routine and following these steps, you can foster a profound sense of presence, peace, and well-being. Consistent practice allows mindfulness to establish every aspect of your life, enhancing your ability to navigate challenges with clarity and grace. Embrace each moment with intentionality and openness, knowing that the journey towards greater mindfulness is a transformative path towards a more fulfilling and balanced existence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. If you think this video could help someone else, feel free to share it with your friends and family. See you next time.